Hi, my name is Björn, this is Dennis, and we're from CoCoNet. We're experts in corporate banking, and we develop white-label digital banking products for banks and other financial institutions. We're extremely proud that some of the most significant banks in Europe already run our products. So, for example, UniCredit, ING, or Citibank. And through the partnership with these tremendous partners, we come to know about the challenges that banks actually have with their everyday customer relation. In retail banking, onboarding processes are already lightning fast. I mean, technology has allowed us to take some serious shortcuts and actually complete onboarding processes within minutes. I mean, we like to refer to that as quick boarding, right? And in the corporate space, complex entity structures as well as sophisticated role and permission concepts have to be considered. And yeah, a lot of that is still manual and paper-based work. Now, banks are our customers, but we are also customers of our banks. As we're located in quite a number of countries across Europe, we've been onboarded, or rather slow-boarded, to quite a number of banks in the meantime. And it is painful to see that it takes them 3 to 6 months to actually get us set up and operational. Now, that first-hand experience kept us actually thinking, how can we turn this slow boarding into quick boarding for corporate customers as well? With today's opportunity here at Finovate, we'd like to present a digital, fast, and cost-effective process which will speed up onboarding in corporate banking. So Dennis, let's run the demo.
Sure. Thank you, Björn. I will guide you through an example of our corporate customer onboarding process. Let's assume I'm an employee of a larger company, and my colleague Markus and I, we were asked to set up some accounts, including a term deposit at a new bank. That does mean we have to iterate through the whole onboarding process first. Luckily, we started with this already, so we don't have to start from scratch. And to jump back into the process, I use just one of the auto-generated emails to access the authentication page. I provide my credentials, and I'm ready to go. As you can see, the application status is fetched back. I also have a clear indication regarding where I am within the whole process, and also all upcoming process steps are mentioned. This, in combination with the total duration until I can use my products, we're talking about 5 days, really provides me good feedback regarding the process status. Let's continue. Okay, I just received a notification that my colleague Markus updated the company information. It's really beneficial that we both can contribute files and data at the very same point in time. I also can identify that all companies which are part of our holding are already created. That's really great. Also, all bank accounts which we require are set up. But what's missing is the term deposit. Let's change it. I just add a new product or service, select the proper service type, and next I have to provide detailed information related to the term deposit. I select the German account as account owner. The investment amount is up to 50K. As investment period, I specify 1 year, and the reference account is the German account as well. What's missing is the interest distribution. And now I'm puzzled. I have no clue what this is about. There's also no tooltip available, so I can't continue this workflow. But there's a little support icon. Let's just check it out. Okay, something happened. Hopefully not again a chatbot, because these guys do, for whatever reason, not understand me at all. Hi.
Hi, Dennis. Sorry, I'm not a chatbot. At this point, a real customer manager or support agent would have the possibility to answer the customer's question. The integrated co-browsing solution, this video chat, enables a bank employee to talk or chat with the customer or highlight important information directly on the screen. Back to you, Dennis.
That's really easy. Thanks a lot. Like my advisor sitting next to me. So now I have all information at hand. I select distribute, add my term deposit, and I'm ready to go. So I'm done. And now it's up to Markus, because he's fully permitted to sign. Back to you, Björn.
Now, great. This feels like quick boarding. Thanks, Dennis. So our strength is to map complex permission and authorization structures that companies have. Users can be permitted to check and create data to upload documents, to digitally sign them, and to finally authorize the application process. Then with the integrated co-browsing solution, banks' advisors have the possibility to interact with their customers in real-time collaboration or via video chat. So we offer targeted support, we dramatically reduce the response times, and we offer a superior customer experience. Now, we've been talking about the onboarding process from a customer point of view, but we are of course aware that the requirements for the workflows that have to be implemented might differ slightly from bank to bank. And that is why we have developed our solution based on our state-of-the-art integration platform, which makes it super easy for us to respond to all sorts of individual requirements. So Dennis, let's have a look on the bank side.
Sure. On bank side, we benefit from a centralized system where all dots are connected to. So that's the point where I can get all information, and thanks to our machine learning capabilities, we're also able to provide auto suggestions and also improvements. Let's do an example. I'm working as process manager at a bank. So I'm responsible for several processes, including the onboarding one. So if I would like to do my daily work, I use one of the pre-built dashboards to directly see if everything is going on well. As you can see, I have several information directly at hand, like, for example, how many active applications are currently ongoing. So that number provides me a good indication whether or not the amount of advisors still fit and they can manage all these onboarding processes. In addition, information like the split over country or the total duration for the onboarding flow is also mentioned here. If something is missing, that's easy. I just add a new widget, configure it, and I'm ready to go. All information directly at hand. But right now, I'm just interested in any kind of issues which occurred. Therefore, I use the corresponding chart to get detailed information related to all onboarding steps which are configured in the system. As you can see, the term deposit area is highlighted red. If I drill down, I get further information. Like in this case, we had two issues and they were both form related. One was related to the investment period, the other one to the interest distribution. What a surprise. Just remember what happened 2 minutes before. If I drill down, I get deeper information. In this case, both were related to lack of information and also to some misunderstandings. And now our machine learning kicks in. I just go to the solutions page and I get 3 recommended solutions for this kind of problem. I can create an FAQ entry, provide a proper tooltip, or create a tutorial. I pick and choose the tooltip option. Next, I'm automatically redirected to our administration panel where the whole onboarding process is configured. And I'm also pointed directly into this area where the interest distribution is configured. So now it's very easy to go to the tooltip, provide a proper tooltip for all languages which are configured in the system, save, update the whole form, and I'm done. That's how easy it is to change and modify the process in a production within minutes. So back to you, Björn.
Great, thanks. So on the bank side, we have ready-to-use dashboards, and they are supported by machine learning and data analytics to continuously improve the productive workflows. In doing so, we make use of former applications to let future customers benefit from these automated process insights. Now, why do we think this is relevant for banks? Number one, we provide operational efficiency. Number two, we reduce cost on the bank side. And number three, we dramatically reduce the process duration. So in the end, we think that everybody should win here because we think a positive first customer experience will more likely lead to me buying more products or more services from the same brand. All of this is part of our customer lifecycle management portfolio, which helps banks to support their customers in all stages of the lifecycle, not only the quick boarding.
Great. So it looks like we have time for just one quick question before we get to your wrap up. And my question is any of this already in use in the market?
Yeah, indeed. So one of our first productive customers has actually measured a 66% of duration gain and the corresponding cost savings. In fact, they're so happy that they are rolling this out to other segments now as well. And next up for them is wealth management customers.
Thanks a lot, guys. We hope you enjoyed the show. And if you would like to get further information about CoCoNet or our onboarding solution, just visit us at coconet.de, drop us a line on LinkedIn, or visit us in our virtual room. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thanks. Bye.